friends. Today we're going to be talking about taking it for granted. Typically the saying is taking it for granted. So we're going to be talking about taking it for granted. Our learning target is I can determine the mineral or minerals in the rock granite. Our first part, you will need to get a container of earth materials. So you will get a cup from a teacher that looks just like this. Second, you need to correctly identify them on the green sheet. So you'll also need a green sheet that looks like this. You'll need to put your name at the top, and you have your cup of earth materials. You need to take each one out and try to determine which one it is. So this one we've actually worked with. I bet you know it just by looking at it. This would be calcite. You would put this on calcite, in calcite's box, and then you're going to mark it on this line if it's a rock with an R or a mineral by just putting an M. That way you don't have to write the whole word out. You're just putting an R or an M next to each one. There are all of these inside your earth material cup. You need to place each one in the correct spot, label it rock or mineral, and then get it checked by a teacher. That's the first part, friends. Seems simple enough. Our second part, though, friends, is taking it for granted on page 24 in your lab packet. It looks just like this. It's even got it taking it for granted up top. I asked the question, what is in the rock granite? Use your schema to determine which minerals are in the rock granite. So if you look at this table, it has feldspar at the top, quartz, mica, hornblende, and calcite. You will be getting a piece of granite, and you are going to try to decide if any or all of these minerals are inside of this rock granite. So you're going to do observations. So you should know how to do this. You're observing the properties of each one and trying to determine if they're in here. You're going to say for color and write down if you observed it in the granite. Hardness, how many scratches? We just finished doing our scratch test with our minerals. So you should be able to get the tools and do scratch tests on different ones. And then it says evidence of calcite. I wonder how we test for calcite. If you aren't to the calcite quest yet, after you do the calcite quest, you will know how to test for it. Then it tells you to answer these questions. Which minerals do you think are in granite? So you are being a real scientist and discovering which minerals are in this rock. And it says, what is your evidence? That's the part of the scientist where you record your evidence. You need to complete the table as you go. You're going to need your thinking caps for this one, friends. Good luck.